Come on, seriously? Okay, so I'm looking up in this exhaust range hood cabinet and I see what looks like speaker wire connected to the exhaust fan. So yeah, that's not a good sign. That's a non-standard electrical practice right there. So I traced the line through the cabinet into the other side here, as you can see it coming out, and it goes into this here, a hole in the wall, which may be a junction box, but I can't confirm that yet. So I was wondering why, when I first turned it on here, there's no power, and I wasn't getting any voltage right here. So I checked it over here too, and then I noticed there was a wall switch here. So let's turn that on. Now it's working, and now we get voltage going through the speaker wire. So yeah, this is a problem, people. This is how fires start. Get your home inspected.